Today, let's make authentic Sichuan Mapo Tofu at home. First, get all your ingredients ready. Cut the tofu into cubes. Add 4 TBSP Soeos soy sauce and 2 TBSP Soeos pink salt to boiling water, then blanch the tofu. Stir-fry half the minced beef in hot oil. Then add 1 TBSP Soeos soy sauce and 2 TBSP Soeos Sichuan peppercorn powder. Stir-fry the rest of the minced beef in hot oil until half done. Then add 2 TBSP Soeos dobanjiang. Add 1/3 of the cooked minced beef along with other seasonings. Add 1/3 of the cooked minced beef and tofu, followed by 50 milliliters of water starch, and thicken the sauce on high heat. Finally, mix in the rest of the minced beef, 1 TBSP Soeos Sichuan peppercorn powder, and 10 grams garlic scapes. Garnish with chopped green onions, and your tasty Mapo tofu is done.